Recently, during the interview with Fight Hub TV, PBC fighter Sean Porter responded to the question of who is going to win the boxing match between Terence Crawford and Sean Porter. Keith Thurman responded by saying that Sean Porter always comes to fight and he can duck really well, very really well and very low, and he that could make the fight really Terence really awkward and it could disrupt his rhythm. But he has fought this way to a lot of fighter and he has came short, like Errol Spence, Keith Thurman. So it's not that Terence Crawford cannot deal with it, because Terence Crawford is a really good counter puncher and he can move laterally really well, and he fights orthodox and southpaw really well. He is a complete fighter. So do I think that it's going to be easy? No. But can it really happen? So yes, it can really happen. But and this fight is really important for Terence Crawford to show that he is, as what is told, the one of the best welterweight, because he hasn't fought the fighter who are the bigger lightweights, super lightweights like him, Errol Spence and Sean Porter earlier. So right now he's fighting that. It's his time to prove that if he can hang out with somebody like Sean Porter and he can defeat him, then yeah, it shows that he can really do well with the fighter who are really upper echelon. And Terence Crawford has been like always touted one of the best in the world, so this is his time to show it and to prove it that he can be the best fighter when he is fighting the top level competition. So it was his reaction, and apart from that, in the same interview when he asked about Errol Spence's attitude toward him, then he mentioned that he is really salty and he is very sad that he lost the opportunity to fight Manny Pacquiao. So I hope him the best, that he recovers really well and comes to fight. And Keith Thurman is currently waiting for his own fight, and he said that it could be in December or January. And when asked about like who he is going to fight, somebody in top 5 or somebody out of the top 5, so he said that I'm not currently looking at top 5 or top 10. I'm looking for a great fight, or so if anybody that makes sense who is either top 5 or top 10, that makes sense and it could be a great fight, that yeah, then yeah, definitely I'll be going for that. And after that I would like to fight 2 more time in the 2022. So that's all, and I'll keep you posted on the latest. So thanks for watching the video, and please like and subscribe our channel.